Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Amanda, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. I've been out for a while, but it feels good to be back and just putting some content for you guys. I've just been really just relaxing and just, not recording because sometimes I feel unmotivated to put something out there, and I've been getting myself into crafting and trying to start a small business, so that's what's up. But anyways, let's get straight to the video. Today I'll be doing a review on the L'ange Aplatir Straightener, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is what it is. It came in a couple days ago, and then I'm going to test it out with a regular drugstore straightener, and this is my Revlon. I had this for ever, and I just wanted something different. I want something that can actually straighten my hair in a quick time manner and actually leave it straight, because sometimes it's hard to reach some parts of my hair to get it straight. You know how it leaves that little bump and stuff like that? So yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It comes in a nice cute box. Absolutely love it. Alright, so this is what it looks like compared to my Revlon. I always wanted something flat like this, slim and sleek, instead of this where it kind of shapes like that. But yeah, this is what, comparing just a regular drugstore and this one. Alright, and then I'm just gonna undo everything and then plug it in. Alright, so I'm gonna do this side with this one, and then we'll do the other side with the other one. Alright, and I already put heat protectant spray and my hair serum in it already, so I'm just gonna straighten it. And usually this is how I straighten my hair. I think I showed you guys how I straighten my hair in one of my older videos that I did when I was quarantining myself, and I was just a day in my life, Yeah. But usually I always have to go over a couple times, so I already know that part. This is how it looks like with the Revlon. And this one, it doesn't have a temperature setting. It just has 30, the number 30, how high it goes. And then the L'ange one, it has all the way to 450. So yeah. And I really do like that both of these have the what is it called? The twistable cord. So that's really nice. And usually this side of my face is always easy to do. It's always this side of my face, my hair. This side of my head is always easy to straighten, so that's why I'm doing this one. And then this side, I always struggle just doing this side. Maybe it's because I'm not really used to doing it this way. But I'm going to test out this L'ange straightener on this side of my head. Alright. So you guys can kind of see a little bit of the difference already. And I just showered earlier today, so yeah. Just a little comparison of my regular air dried hair and then straighten. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the other one, just because it's so thin that it doesn't cover as much hair, but I could be wrong. So yeah. Alright, so this is what it's looking. I still have a little bit over here, but I'm just gonna do this off camera, and then I'll come back with this side finished, and then we'll start on this side. Alright, so I am back, and this is the side of the Revlon drugstore, you can say, straightener, and then this is how my hair naturally looks after showering and letting it air dry. Alright, and then I just moved up a little bit just so you guys can kind of see how it looks. So yeah. This is what it looks at the bottom. And now for the fun part is testing out L'ange. So I'm really nervous. I don't know why. It's like I feel like I'm betraying like my Revlon because I've used it all my life for like ever. But anyways, let's give it a shot. And this side of my hair is usually a little harder to straighten. I don't know why. Maybe I just get lazy after, but yeah. It feels a little weird maybe because like the width of it is not how I'm used to it. But I don't know. And I feel like it doesn't glide on as easy as this one, I would say. I don't know. Let me try it. Like, okay. It's smooth. Maybe if I grab like a smaller section. Alright. I mean, it's okay, I guess. Ooh, that was really, wow, that was really nice. I mean, like, I still have like, under here, it's still like, you know, I still need to fix it, but so far, not too bad. I feel like I'm getting off camera. I'm like looking at my viewfinder and then looking at the mirror too, so yeah. I really like it. I have it at 450, so the highest it can go. Just because why not? I know it's not always ideal since it can obviously damage our hair, but wow, I'm really impressed. I mean, like, you can't, like, I don't know, like, wow. I feel like, I don't know, I'm not trying to be biased, but, like, I feel like it kind of makes my hair look a little, like, I mean, look, it looks smooth, it looks so, like, you know, like how people, like, wave their hair like that. It looks so pretty compared to, like, this side. I mean, this side is pretty too, but, I don't know. Alright, I'm trying to get, like, under my hair, like, but it's just so hot. Maybe I should tone it down now. Maybe let's do 325. Because right now I'm only getting like the front layer of my hair. And some people might say like, oh, why don't I like part my hair? It's just, I don't know. I used to part my hair back then a lot and then straighten it or curl my hair. But the last few years, this is just how I do my hair. I just don't know why I don't part it anymore. So I don't know exactly why, like, I feel like I'm doing this side of my head faster than the other side. Maybe because I set this out longer, but I think I set this out a couple minutes just before filming and turning on the camera. So yeah, I don't know, but I mean, overall, I really like it. Okay, maybe I should turn it back up. Before, because it was getting too hot and I couldn't get the other side of my hair. I really like it. So this is what it looks like right now compared to this side. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I feel like it strained my hair quicker than my usual time with the Revlon one. And I don't know. Like, I like that I can adjust the temperature. I'm just really not used to it being like that hot because I don't really know how like high this one can go. But anyways, I really like it. I'm just, you know, I'm just trying to like touch up some pieces, making sure like everything is straight and nice. And I purchased this when it was on sale. And I just paid for shipping. So it was like about $28 in total. Which was not too bad. Like for a nice decent straightener. It's always like the part that is closest to my scalp. That's always the hardest. I'm just gonna straighten up like the top part just because I feel like sometimes it's not straight. You see that? Like how it kind of like curves? I feel like I look like the Grudge right now. You know, or like the girl from The Ring, or like that. Just because like my hair is so long and like my roots are growing out so much. Like, look at it. I haven't dyed my hair in like almost 2 years now. Yeah, it's crazy. I really want to get my hair done, but homegirl is broke and is trying to save. So, you know, broke college student. Who else can relate? Alright. And I know I'm going over a lot of pieces of my hair because that's just how I normally do, because I want my hair to be super straight because who isn't OCD like that, you know? Sorry, I'm testing out like my camera settings and I just can't find like the right settings. So yeah, I'm just like whatever. So sometimes I go out of focus and I feel bad because I'm trying to figure it out, okay? I'm not really like camera techie, so. Hi guys, I am back with the final results and this is what my hair looks like. I'll go ahead and just show you guys the ends of my hair. So this is the ends of my hair. I mean, there's not much of a difference. I think I can only tell mostly from the top of my hair. Just like from my scalp and stuff like that, but overall like this part of the bottom is pretty nice. And then for the front, I kind of feel like I could have worked up a little bit over here. Can't you guys see it? I did went over it a couple of times and even off camera I was working on this. You know, I just can't really stop this because I know that it's always like this with the Revlon straightener. And then with the other one, the L'ange, this is what it looks like. And I'll go ahead and try to show you guys the back. I don't know how it's gonna look or if it's gonna be blurry, so I apologize in advance for that. So this is the back of my hair. So this is the L'ange side and this is the Revlon side. So hopefully I didn't miss any parts, but if I do, yeah, I don't know. So this is what they look like. But anyways, my thoughts on the L'ange is I actually really like it. I mean, I wasn't sure how it was gonna work just because some people like it and some people don't. They said that, you know what, it's mediocre. I really like the shape of it because it's different from my Revlon where it's shaped like this, where it's not just slim. And like I always wanted like a new straightener that is like this kind of slim, and you know what, I'm really happy I invested it. I picked it up when it was on sale, so I'm like, you know what, you know, if I don't like it, it's okay, it's only 28 bucks. But yeah, I was like, you know what, if it doesn't work, it's only $28 and it's okay, you know. But I really like it. It feels nice. I like that I can adjust the temperature. I mean, I always have on here as well, but I always went to 30 and I don't know what the temperature on this is. Sorry about that. But with this, I like how like, because how it's slim it is, I can like get really close to like my roots. And like the only thing I just had to be like cautious is about how hot it gets. I mean, just because I'm not used to it, and with my curly ones, like yes, it can go up to 450, but then like I'm just curling my hair that way. You know, I'm not really, I don't know if it makes sense because straighten my hair and curl my hair is two different things, and yeah. But yeah, like when I do it like that, I really like how I can get up really close to my scalp and stuff like that. So yeah, and like the feel of this is really, it's like, is it velvet or it's like satin velvet, something like that. I don't know my fabric, so any interior design out there who knows their stuff, you know, correct me on that. But yeah, I really like it. It's really easy to use, I can say that. And like, yes, the first few passes I wasn't sure if it was going to be straight my hair like that well, but I I don't know if it's because I left it on for a while I was straightening my other side with this one, that it was hot enough where I can straighten my hair like in a quick amount of time. So I don't know if that played an effect, but overall my thoughts on this, I really like it. I was really impressed because I was giving like a harder chance on the L'ange straightener because, as I said before, this side of my hair, I always struggle doing it, and I hate doing this side because it's just a pain. Like, I don't know if because the way I'm reaching it or just because I get lazy, but like here, like I can do like this, it's easy. And then for here, I don't ever switch my hands. That's probably why. Like, I feel like I can't get down here because I'm still using my right hand and I'm doing like this. So I think that's what the deal is. It's just I have a harder time straightening my hair because I'm a right-handed and I do the opposite, and it's weird straightening my hair like this, but it takes me a little longer. But I was impressed at the results that it gave me, and like comparing it to like right here, you know how like it's not like super straight, it's still like a little like lumpy here, and over here it's not bad from what I'm seeing. So yeah, I don't know how I would rate this because, I mean, if I was to rate it out of a 10, I would give it an 8. You know, it's not like super amazing, but like it's amazing from what I've used before, like typical drugstore. I would have to really test this out with like other straighteners, like Hot Tools and all that stuff. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I miss curling my hair or something like that. I keep thinking about curling my hair. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I really like it. I would recommend it to anybody who wants to invest in a new, like, straightener. I almost said curling one. But yeah, I mean, it was a really good upgrade for me. Like, if you have, like, just, like, a typical, drugstore straightener, you know, like, I would recommend, you know, upgrading to a new straightener. And you know, just always check their website. As I said before, I post down their link down below so you guys can check their website out. They always have sales going on, so yeah, like, don't sleep on that. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review and comparison between our drugstore straightener and L'ange straightener. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!